Karnataka sex gate. While son Prajwal Revanna is holidaying in Germany, his father H.D. Revanna has been arrested by the Karnataka SIT in a kidnapping case. He was in fact arrested from his father and JDS chief H.D. Devegowda's house. The arrest took place after H.D. Revanna did not appear for summons and his bail plea was also rejected by the court. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has reacted over Revanna's issue and has claimed that law and order situation will take course on its own. His government will not be interfering. H.D. Revanna is now facing a kidnapping case following allegations made by his associate. An associate of his mother has been abducted. The complainant, along with his mother, used to work as a house help at Revanna's farmhouse, and she was allegedly kidnapped from her house on the 29th of April.
ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ವಜಾ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಇನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ.
Law has taken proper course.
Sir, how much time it will take to bring back Prajwal Revanna from abroad?
I'm not aware. The efforts of the government is on.
इनएविटेबल था, जो ठीक तरह से इंक्वायरी करना, जिन लोगों को, जिन हमारे जो महिला, उधर के जो महिला लोगों के ऊपर जो कुछ भी घटना घटी है, उसके लिए न्याय देना ये काम SIT का है और ठीक तरह से करना चाहिए.
My colleague Anaga Keshav is joining us from H.D. Devegowda's house. Anaga, the first arrest has been made. All eyes now on Prajwal Revanna and whether he'll be returning to the country or not.
Well, Aishwarya, yesterday at around 6:50 p.m. that was when H.D. Revanna was picked up from the exact spot where I'm reporting from. That is H.D. Devegowda's house. This is his Bengaluru residence in Padmanabhanagara. He was safely ensconced there at his father's residence, not really being available to anybody. But the SIT officers were keenly waiting outside. So once he had a major setback, H.D. Revanna, from the court, that is his anticipatory bail being rejected, the SIT officers, just moments after his bail plea getting rejected, they barged inside his house, they picked up H.D. Revanna and then they got him to the CID office in Bengaluru, that is very close to Vidhan Soda. They got him there, grilled him for a good half an hour to 1 hour, then they took him to Boring Hospital for medical checkup. Then today is when H.D. Revanna will be produced in front of the magistrate. Now, now since H.D. Revanna has been picked up, the next step will be to bring back his son Prajwal Revanna. He is right now in abroad, he is absconding, he has fled the country. So a blue corner notice has also been issued at all immigration checkpoints to ensure that he does not flee anymore. All eyes now on Prajwal Revanna. When is he coming back to India? He's a sitting parliamentarian. He's been irresponsible enough to just flee the country. So all efforts are in, Aishwarya, to bring back rape accused Prajwal Revanna to the country.
Thank you, Anaga, for giving us all those details.